So, I started cosmetology school last week at Celebrity Beauty Academy in Miami. I don't know if it's Celebrity Beauty School or Celebrity Beauty Academy, I have to check. But it's off of the 826 and 8th Street, and I wanted to share what came in my kit. So, this did not come in my kit, but this is the textbook. So there's this black foundations textbook, and then there's a lady cosmetology textbook. So we work on those in the theory portion. And then as part of my kit, I got 4 mannequin heads. So there's 2 Lucy's. There is one Naomi. That's her name, not making it up. And one male mannequin. This is Aiden. In addition to my mannequins, I got a set of wall brand clippers, which I understand to be pretty good, and a from blow dryer. So now, it's hard to see, but I have this, let me see if I can push it back so you can see more of it. It's like this 2-box suitcase on wheels. It has a handle, like here. I'm gonna leave that down so I can show you what's inside. And I'm gonna unpack it so that you can see everything that comes in the kit, because there's a lot more goodies in here. All right, so in the top kit, we have the whisk for mixing your color. There's a brush that we'll use when we learn how to do acrylic nails. There's this little manicure kit, just like a very basic kit with some scissors, nail clippers, cuticle cutters. Then we have different types of pins. So there's this type of bobby pin and these bobby pins. And we have some clips. We have a set of rollers. So those are pretty interesting. Another set of clips. And these little pin curl clips. So there's a box of those. So that's all in the top box. There's also a strap, I guess, if you wanted to separate it. So that's in the top, and now I'm gonna unclip that from the bottom and show you what's down there. Okay, so this part just comes off, and then you're left with like the bottom piece. I'll try to roll it back here, you can see. It's like a size of a carry-on suitcase. Okay, so these are my scrubs. So you could wear either all black, which is why I'm in all black because I had school today, or you could wear your scrubs, which are kind of ugly, but it's good for when none of your clothes is clean. So that's my shirt and my pants. So those, like one set of scrubs is included in your tuition, and you could buy more if you want more. Then there's like an apron for when you're doing your application. So Celebrity School of Beauty. So this is the apron. And then there's also the cape for your clients. Whenever you're doing color or hair service. So this is the cape for your clients to wear in the chair. And then there's all sorts of goodies. So this is teasing brush. This is, this is a set of 2 brushes for color. There are about 5 different combs in this set. So you have like long combs, the short rat tail combs, but there's 5 of them. I can unwrap these in a second and show you. I'll do that at the end. There are 6 sets of different type of rollers for perming. So there's these white ones. I don't know the differences in all of them. That's precisely why I'm in school, to learn. There's this, which is really cool. So in cosmetology, you learn a little bit of everything. So I will be learning basic makeup application. So this is my set of makeup brushes. Then there's a bunch of different brushes. So this is a detangling brush. I'm not sure when you use this, but I'll learn. And there's this little round brush. Get a bowl for mixing color. An applicator bottle and a spray bottle. This is so much fun. And then there's a bunch of different round brushes. So this looks like maybe a 1.5 inch round brush. There's this one. This is 1 3/4, and then this is like a larger one. This is a 2 inch round brush. I know there's a 4 inch somewhere. Yeah, there's this like a smaller round brush. So you have a set of 4 ceramic round brushes, and then like this is a very basic makeup kit. Let me see what's in it. I haven't looked inside yet. Okay, well this says what's in it. If you want to pause and look at that. So there's 2 foundations in here. I don't know what this is, but you can see it on the list. It's a very basic palette because you don't really get too much into the makeup with cosmetology. I guess you can get as much into it as you want, but this will get you through the basics. This is for doing acrylic nails. So it's, I guess, the acrylic powder. Looks like there's another brush here in addition to the one they gave us. You have a little spa manicure and pedicure kit, because again, this is something else that we learn. Not as much as hair, but enough to be able to do it. Let's see. We have a 1 inch curling iron and I think it's also a 1 inch straightening iron. So not bad, has a good weight to it. And the last thing in the kit are the shears. I have no idea how to use these yet, but I will learn soon. So you have your regular shears, I guess these are your thinning shears, and then you have the razor on that side. So that's everything that came in the kit. I can show you real quick more of the combs. So there's that comb. I don't know. I don't really know the differences between all of these. Obviously, I know the difference between the rat tail comb and these other combs. I guess it's just so that you have enough to keep in rotation while you're sanitizing them. This is another regular comb and another rat tail comb. So that's everything you get in your kit. So far, so good. Let me know if you have any questions.